You need to watch this if you struggle with boring breakfasts. I'm going to show you how to make Pesarattu, a tasty, crispy green gram dosa. First, we need to prepare the batter. Rinse and soak 1 cup of green gram and a couple of tablespoons of rice. Totally optional, but it adds a nice crispiness. Let them soak for 6 to 8 hours or overnight. Next, drain the soaked ingredients and grind them along with 3 green chilies, an inch of ginger, cumin seeds, and a pinch of salt. Add water gradually until you get a smooth, thick batter. For a better texture, you can let the batter rest for 30 minutes, but it's okay to use it right away. Now let's whip up the ginger chutney. Heat oil in a pan and sauté some chana dal, urad dal, and dried red chilies until golden. Add chopped ginger and sauté until aromatic. Toss the mixture into a blender with tamarind paste, jaggery, salt, and a bit of water. Blend until smooth and adjust the water to get the desired consistency. Time to make the dosas. Heat a dosa tawa or non-stick pan and grease it lightly. Pour a ladleful of batter and spread it in a circular motion to make a thin dosa. Optional toppings? Sure. Sprinkle chopped onions, green chilies, and coriander leaves. Press them gently with a spatula. Drizzle some oil around the edges and cook until the edges lift and the bottom turns golden and crisp. Fold, remove, and repeat. Serve your hot pesarattu with that delicious ginger chutney. Pair it with coconut chutney or upma for an authentic Andhra breakfast. Enjoy this protein-packed, flavorful delight.